we're gonna get a reset. So we should be good to go for next week. But that's it. All right, it's been a busy couple of days. All right, good morning. We're in sunny Florida, near Tampa. We're at a rest area. SI-75 right there. That's south. We camped out here last night. We got about 20 miles to go to deliver this stuff, and then we got to go pick up a reload. We got a long day today. A long day, couple days. Got quite a few comments about the twist in the straps again. I do that on purpose. It's not an accident. And the twist is to keep the strap from buzzing. I know some countries it's illegal to have a twist in the strap, but here in the United States you can have a twist in the strap. But put a twist in the strap and it keeps that strap from buzzing. And the reason is that the wind will catch the strap and keep it tight. You can have it as tight as you want, but if it's flat, especially when it's on a long stretch like this, it'll sit there and do that. But we had a pretty good, what's today, Monday? We had a pretty good weekend. Got down here. It's a big rest area. I got here just in time. I was gonna park in this back area back here, but that was full. I'm glad I pulled in. And you can see it's a tight squeeze getting down through here. There's another Mercer truck van parked in here. But we got here just in time. Tight squeeze. Say we've got about 20 miles to go. Truck's dirty. Generator's running with the air conditioner. It's a little humid out here. That's not too bad. Bailey up in the window. All right, let's get the day started. All right, good morning. We're in Coleman, Alabama at a rest area on I-65. This is what we picked up down in Florida yesterday. There's some kind of truck frame, trailer frame, weighs 3,000 pounds. We're taking it up there to Huntsville. So not too sure. We got the axle up on our Dorsey trailer, save a little bit of fuel. It's been a long morning. We started at about 3 o'clock this morning. It's now 9 o'clock. And we got about another hour to go. All right, it's Wednesday morning. We're back down in sunny Florida. We reloaded yesterday up in Alabama. That's I-75 South. We're at a rest area near Ocala, Florida. We've been running some miles. So we've already driven about 300 miles today. We still got about 100 miles to go down to Tampa. But this is what we picked up. So we dropped off one of these, and apparently this is a frame for a trailer, some kind of military thing. But what I'm taking back is a mistake. I guess they messed up. Something's not right with this one. And same with that one there. You see the marks on there. So what I ended up doing, those little feet will dig a hole in the trailer. So I put a 2x4 down, and then I nailed the 2x4. That thing's not very heavy, and keeps the 2x4 from wanting to walk around. We got our axle up on our Dorsey trailer. Trailer's dirty. Truck's dirty. There is a blue beacon truck wash. So hopefully when we have enough time, we'll get the truck wash today. Got our axle up. Save a little bit on some gas. Although we've been rolling pretty good. So we've been sucking up the diesel. Walk around over here. We're finishing up our 30-minute break. Alright, we got unloaded. And now we are up here in San Antonio, Florida. I think that's the name of this little town. There's a Flying J and a blue beacon here. It's been a long time since I've stopped here. This Flying J, if I remember right, it's a mess getting in and out of. So that's why it's not on my list of places to stop. There. Now, I don't even know if we can get in and get a truck wash. I'm looking at Google Maps to see which way to get in there. That's why I said this thing's a mess. Up here. Let's see how bad it is. So, what's going on here? You see all them trucks right in front of us right there, that blue old Warner trailer? I think all them trucks are waiting to get on the scale. The cat scale. Oh, and it looks like the fuel pumps ain't working. Half of them aren't working. See all them trucks lined up waiting to get on the scale? We're going this way. I told you this place is a mess. I don't stop here. And the only reason I'm here right now is to get a truck wash. I don't care if this place got cheap fuel or not. It's too much of a mess to get around. Oh, all right. We got 3 hours and 45 minutes left of driving time, and let's see how many hours we got left.
3 hours and 45 minutes of remaining drive time.
30 minutes on our 14-hour clock. So I would like to drive some more. I ain't staying here, so we're gonna go somewhere else. So hopefully we can get through here within a couple hours. To a Love's. I don't know if you guys can see the Dollar General across the street. I figured this would be a good spot to hang out if we can find a decent parking spot. I've never been here before. I think this is a fairly new truck stop, but Google Maps looks like it's got a pretty good sized parking lot. So we'll see what kind of parking arrangements we can find. There is a big TA truck stop across the street. So let's see what we can do. A little bit of grass. Parking spot. We're gonna park right next to that white truck right there and that trailer. It should be a pretty easy pull up, back in. Looks level. Looks like a good camping spot. Looks like it's gonna be a good camping spot. Prime's in a hurry, so I'll let him go around me. Let him rip up some stuff. Alright, let's back it up. so we're gonna camp out here till Friday morning. We're gonna do our 34 hours here. I'm gonna change this real quick. And let's take a look. So I have 2 hours left on my 14-hour clock for today. And I think we're going to get 8 hours back. Anyway, we're going to get a reset. So we should be good to go for next week. But that's it. All right. It's been a busy couple of days. Thanks for watching.